Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. This is useful for sending preliminary invoices before final confirmation. So once you've logged into your account, you will be redirected to Zoho Books dashboard. And once you're here, you will just have to click this sales section here, and you will just have to look for invoices, so it should be right here. And what you will have to do is click the plus button icon. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to select the invoice type. So it should be somewhere right here. So it really depends on the layout of your screen. So once you see that option, you will basically just choose Proforma invoice from the drop down. So yeah, it really depends on the layout of your version. But yeah, if you do see the type, you will just have to again select Performa Invoice, and then of course you will fill your customer details, such as their name, and then their email, their billing address, shipping address, and remarks. But it really depends on you. And the invoice number, order number, invoice date, and now you can just add your items and amounts. So if you would want to add another item, you will just have to click either add euro or add items in bulk. And then of course you will list your products or services with quantity and rates. And optionally you can add terms, notes, and tax details. But yeah, it's really totally optional. And yeah, if you're done with everything, if you're done filling in all this out, you will just have to click save and send. And yeah, that's basically just it. And optionally you can email it to your client. And yeah, that's how you can create a performa invoice in Zoho Books to streamline your billing. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.